Hello, everyone. I am Haristian's brother, and I know we look a lot alike. Uh, my name is my name is not important. What is important is that you are here. And who are you? You are artists and healers and different kind of hippies who are interested in soil and land and things like that. Can we get the graphic here to show the hippies doing what they do? There we go. That's better. Oh, I even look better. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. I'm here to invite you to the Solstice Soirée. Can we get the graphic up for maybe the web page? That's better. Okay. Yes, the Solstice Soirée is December 16th in Petaluma. It's an opportunity to immerse in decentralized systems hands-on. Learn why DAOs are replacing governments and corporations. Feh, disgusting. You don't need them. And you will connect deeply through circling and embodiment with other people. Most of all, play and create beauty as a community grounded in earth wisdom. So here's a little bit of a breakdown of what's going to happen, okay? We ask that you bring a potluck dish, something that's, inclusive, so probably gluten-free. They can be meat, but, animals raised in good ways. We're going to nourish our bodies and spirits because we are going to do amazing mystic connections and ecstatic dancing. Okay? Can we scroll down to show this? Okay, yes, there. You know what? Scroll up because the image is nice. Okay, leave it there. Okay. As you can see, we're running out of space. You want to apply now to join. Here's a little breakdown of what's going to be like. So we'll have an optional casual dinner on Saturday evening with some music and connection. Sunday morning, 9 a.m., Temple of Soil weekly sermon. This part will be televised. Also, followed by snacks and tea and coffee, and then some community yoga and embodiment flow. Then there'll be a fish bowl. I don't know what that means, but it will also be televised. And a potluck lunch. Circling, which is a great way to communicate. And followed by breathwork and another fish bowl. Do we have permits for this fish bowls? Okay. And then musical performance by the incredible, wonderful talent Adi Bell, who I am a huge fan of. And then, of course, a dinner feast. This event is all about spreading love, good vibes, and, of course, accelerating. How did my accent become like Christopher Walken almost now? Give me a second to compose myself. So, we're going to accelerate the fantastic mission of the Soil DAO PMA. It's a donation-based extravaganza, and every penny will shimmy its way into supporting our noble cause. Shimmy? Really? Pennies are shimmying now? Christian, did ChatGPT have influence here? Be honest. Okay. Here's the deal. We won't let anyone miss the party, but don't stress about your pocket dance moves. No one will be turned away for lack of funding. But we are encouraging a little financial cha-cha. Okay, no more ChatGPT, seriously. Suggested donation of $88. That's 2 infinity signs. Whoop, whoop. Not everyone can drop a fancy 88. What percentage of Bitcoin is $88? Okay, even if your contribution is just a humble dollar, you're still part of the groove. So, we'll see you all in Petaluma on December 16th for good times and time to get in touch with nature in a way and understand what Soil DAO is all about. Thank you, friends. How do you say goodbye in Bulgarian? How do you say it? Okay, cut.